Welcome to this comprehensive, beginner-friendly tutorial on how to download and install Audacity, the free audio editor. Hello everyone, this is a tutorial that guides you step by step on how to download and install Audacity, the free audio editor. Whether you're a podcaster, content creator, or just someone who wants to edit audio files, Audacity is a powerful tool you'll love. First, open any web browser and type Audacity in the search engine. And click on the first link, audacityteam.org, the official website of Audacity. We have two download options, Audacity and Audacity Plus free effects and samples. Which one should we download? As for Audacity as a software, they both include the same tools and features. But Audacity Plus free effects and samples includes additional effects and samples with MuseHub as well. You can try both. I use Audacity installs with no extras. For Audacity downloads, click Download Audacity for any option you choose. Click Allow if you see it. After completing the download, go to your Downloads folder, select your download file, and right-click, and then Open. This window will appear. Select on Audacity icon, and drag to the Applications folder. Go to the Applications, select and right-click on Audacity, then Open. Or you can double-click only. Wait a little bit. Click Open to confirm that you want to open this application. Congratulations! You successfully downloaded and installed Audacity. This is how it looks like the tools bar in Audacity on macOS. Feel free to explore its features and unleash your creativity. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy editing!